Shortcuts are a great way to increase our productivity in Photoshop. In this tutorial, we will understand how we can create or modify custom keyboard shortcuts. Photoshop provides us custom shortcuts for some features by default. We can create a shortcut for a feature ourselves if it is not provided by Photoshop by default. For example, under the window menu in Arrange, Tile and Consolidating, all two tabs don't have custom shortcuts. Let's understand how we can create shortcuts for these two options. We click Edit menu and then select Keyboard Shortcuts. Here we have options to change the keyboard shortcuts for my application menus, my panel menus, and my tools. For now, we stick to the application menus. We scroll down and use the disclosure triangle here under Window, and then scroll down more until we see the two options Consolidate all two tabs and Tile. In order to enter our own custom keyboard shortcuts, we click to the right here and then just type in that shortcut using our keyboard. So in this case, we use Ctrl-Shift-T. The Photoshop warns us that it's already in use and it will be removed from Edit Transform again if I accept it. Well, if we don't use the Edit Transform again command nearly as often as we use the Tile command, then we can accept it. For now, let's click Accept. Now let's change the keyboard shortcut for consolidating all two tabs. We use Ctrl-Shift-R and again, Photoshop warns us. If we don't use the filter lens correction nearly as much as we use Consolidate all two tabs, then we can accept. Let's go ahead and accept that as well. Now that we have modified the Photoshop defaults, we can save this so that just in case we ever reset the shortcut, we can easily access them. We click on the first icon in order to save them. We go ahead and name it. And it's going to save them automatically to the correct location. Once we hit save, then the nice thing is, even if we switch these to the Photoshop defaults, it's very easy to select my custom keyboard shortcuts from the list. We go ahead and click OK. The shortcuts are created. And now, let's click Window menu and then Arrange. We find those two custom keyboard shortcuts for Consolidate all two tabs and for Tile. So this is how we can create custom keyboard shortcuts in Photoshop. Hope you liked this tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.